Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nabila from Srengseng, West Jakarta. I will convey my activities and opinions on COVID-19. Currently, Indonesia and several other countries are experiencing a corona or COVID-19 virus outbreak. COVID-19 was a disease caused by a new strain of coronavirus first reported in Wuhan, China late last year. Some areas of Indonesia are currently in black zones, which mean very high rates of infection. Since the spread of COVID-19, this entire region of Indonesia is to stay in each other's homes. So, the typical daily activities are stunted. During the isolation of the home, before the graduation announcement of UIN Jakarta, my daily work will be eat foods that contain plenty of vitamins because they keep the body from contracting disease. The second is prayer and praying for graduation and praying for a speedy restoration of the world from the COVID-19 plague. The third was watching film for the boredom of staying home. My next activity of helping a parent hang clothes and wash the dishes is that helping a parent is a duty to a child. My next activity was sleep because all humans need adequate regular rest to maintain good health. And I still have a lot to do. There is no outside of the house unless it is absolutely necessary to leave the house. After a graduation announcement from UIN Jakarta, Alhamdulillah, I was accepted as a student in Jakarta. And my activity after the graduation announcement was no different than before. The difference in my activities increased by an online class having to learn long distance in order to avoid exposure to the coronavirus, and attend to several assignments given by the lecturer at each course. Because of recent months of house isolation, the economy in Indonesia was very poor. Many workers are suspended at their workplace, causing a growing number of unemployment. Also, trades as well as food merchants failed to sell and suffered considerable losses. This COVID-19 is a major change in world conditions such as changing people incomes. After a few months of solitary stay at home, each Alhamdulillah in Indonesia now applying the new normal to the welfare of the people in making their living. But in spite of implementing new normal, people should also adhere to the health protocols recommended by the government. There are many other activities that can take place in a normal new time like today. Either gardening or watering the plants in the home. Bake or exercise in the morning and afternoon to keep the body healthy and in balance. Reading books like comic books and novels that will relieve the boredom of this pandemic. And other activities. But every activity must adhere to health protocol. The government also gives the local community billions to share with the local community, especially in the Jakarta area. However, while the COVID-19 pandemic may have been devastating, there were also many benefits to it at the time of the current pandemic, like reducing pollution as people are required to isolate themselves in their homes. Have more time with the people closest to each other because the whole community has to isolate themselves at home, so that the whole family gathers their own house. More downtime because the same as before has to be isolated at home. My opinion of the COVID-19 is a very dangerous virus that can quickly pass on to anyone and not look at the age. And should definitely keep yourself clean and avoid the crowds. My hope for the future is that the COVID-19 will quickly disappear from our country so that all activity can run smoothly and there will be no obstacles like they used to. I mean, that's some activity and my opinion of the COVID-19. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.